What's up, guys? Poison Solar Space 17 here, and today I'm playing an online FIFA match with one of my friends. And so yeah, we're gonna start as soon as he's ready. Okay, so we're just gonna play against him. I'm pretty sure he's gonna win because he's a lot better than me. But yeah, at least we can do is try. Okay, we're starting.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of this matchup. Today, Chelsea against Barcelona.
Let me move the camera a little bit like
They
that.
are great rivals. It could hardly be anything but a
Okay, let's start.
let's head to Stamford Bridge and evening.
So I'm Chelsea, I'm blue, and he's Barcelona, and he's the neon.
Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler, and this is Stamford Bridge. The first game of the season between the
And I just scored. Huh. Don't worry, guys, he's gonna come back. He's really good. Okay.
Some people say it's a dying art, heading the ball, but nobody's told this lad because he works hard on it. So after the goal,
Oh, no.
1-0.
You were close.
Irony in the applause for that.
Okay, so just give it to this person, whoever he is, then over to that for Oscar.
We don't see that so often. Just gliding past it effortlessly.
Okay,
Neymar,
here we go.
Lionel Messi.
Suarez and Messi.
Oscar.
Yeah, he's Barcelona. I'm Chelsea, by the way.
Nemanja Matic.
Sorry I'm not talking that much. I'm really focused on this because last time I played him, he won 8-0.
One of the champions, Manchester City, double over the team of the second Liverpool, galling only finished third. Well, yeah, I think that would be the case, and that's an example of Jose Mourinho setting up his side perfectly to do the job against specific opponents, and there's not many better. It's against the bottom half teams that they had some problems, didn't they? So that's in an area they need to address.
Okay. Here we go. No, he's. Was that Suarez? Who is that?
Oscar, Chelsea given the advantage here.
Yes, we got an advantage. Go, go, go! No!
Now Iniesta.
Okay, so Chelsea, by the way, for you Americans, is an English team, and Barcelona's Spanish.
The attacking now coming from Barcelona. Straightforward
That was a good shot.
took an effort for a long, long way out. Brilliant technique in the tackle.
Okay.
And the shot's off.
Oh, dang it! Told you guys. I knew he was gonna come back. And it was Neymar. Okay.
Tagging again.
Keep going. Don't give up.
Now Terry. And it's back to him again. Piliqueta.
Ouch!
Collison.
Was that foul on them? Yep. And Danny Alves.
Sliding in and taking his part in the game into
Okay.
dangerous territory, really. Well, he's dived
Just gonna
in.
shoot.
It's a reckless one.
Nope.
Luis Suarez. Ivanovic in with a very strong challenge. Great tackling
The
technique.
very strong
Win
challenge.
the ball cleanly. Ivanovic.
Okay. No, 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 make it, no. Oh, dang it! Dang it! Dang it! That he got lucky. Did you see that? He just passed it right to me.
Luis Suarez.
Go, 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 go! No! Seriously. Dang it.
Barcelona at their best is brilliant. flying fest today. Yeah, I don't think they're going to see quite as much of the ball as they normally do in the first just today.
Are you kidding me? Did you see how close that was?
Chelsea's corner.
Okay, now I get a corner. Oh, he got another. He got a yellow card again. Okay. Okay. So just send it in. Header. No. It's too good. Uh-oh. That's not very good. Okay. Back to this person. I don't know Chelsea players that well, guys, so I'm sorry if I'm just saying, like, this person and him, and then, yeah, Neymar. Uh-oh.
He read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Ivanovic.
Chip it over to him. What the heck? I think I accidentally clicked chip shot instead of volley. Okay. Over to oh, did you see that? The Pele flicked it. Okay. I told you he was good. Okay. So now I have to have a strong defense. Don't let him pass.
Very good defending to get in the way of that shot. Well, it slid in at him. Somehow he got out of
Just gonna try to dribble through here. Ow! Foul. Was that another yellow card? Yep, on Jordi Alba. Okay, skip this. Ooh, gotta go check. Yes! Scored off of the, what was that? Scored off the free kick. Okay, wait, can we stop for a second? I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna be right back, guys. And yeah, right back to you. Okay. Okay. What? Okay, Ian. They can't hear me right now. Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, guys. So, let's keep playing. I had to go do something. Ow! What the heck? What was that? I tried to... Uh-oh. Okay, over to... Guys, get away from each other. Not all in the same place. What the heck? Trap the ball. Okay. He tried to chip it.
Really well done. Good defending.
Okay, halftime.
And it's half time.
Played a good game. So now we're gonna start the second half. Here we go.
And we're ready to go at Stamford Bridge for the second half. Oscar.
Okay. Diego Costa. Go. Get it. No.
Ivan Rakitic.
Okay. Dang it. He came before I could pass it. Ow!
Be a foul against Barcelona. Well, the referee's given him the benefit of the doubt here. He could have given him another booking. But not, of course.
Header, header, header! No! Okay, I brought my goalie out, luckily.
That's very well read, and that's a very good interception.
Okay,
Sergio Busquets.
I'm gonna bring it. Come on, defense, come on. He kind of failed this slide tackle, but...
Well, he's playing it into the wide
Okay, come on,
area there.
get out, no.
Oscar. They're playing wide now.
No!
Now for
Okay, throw in for me. This is actually a pretty good game. Okay, guys. You have to win.
Lionel Messi.
Nope.
It was an easy save because he was able to plot the path of the ball all the way into his hands.
Just dribble past all of them. Dang it.
Be a winning ticket in the raffle if you like. Lost the target.
Okay. We have to score another goal to make sure that he doesn't score. That he's not going to win. And
Ivan Rakitic.
whoops. Sorry. I'm sorry.
The free kick against Chelsea.
Uh-oh.
Now,
Yellow card.
that's risky going in like that. Well, he's dived in. It's a reckless one.
Suarez is taking it.
Good stop by the
Nope.
goalkeeper. Held on to the ball as well. And it's back to him again. Now we can use some width. That's a good pass. Oscar. That's good support play from his teammates.
Cross it in, cross it in.
Oh, there goes the cross.
Go, go, go! No!
Really trying to
Dang it. I was close. Uh-oh, Suarez. He's pretty fast.
break maybe from Barcelona.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh,
Many of Barcelona's
that was close.
Shot in the north, that's for certain. Well, often they sense it
No,
gets
no, no, no.
favourite
Okay.
to have more shots as opposed to score more goals. But look at this today. Yeah. And when you do look at their shots, Martin, they shot the likely angles at times and distances where they might have just kept possession.
No.
Nemanja Matic.
Offsides.
That attack because the flag has gone up for offside from the assistant.
Okay. Let's see. We have about 5 more, like 3 more minutes or something.
Wide. Good ball to stretch the opposition.
Come on, Oscar. I mean, William. No! Oh, I took too big of a touch.
Good work.
Well, we have a lot of chances in this game.
Sergio Busquets. Oh, Barcelona.
No. Oh, post. That. Oh.
Very well to clear that.
Uh-oh.
This corner now as they look to hit back.
No, 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 no. Don't volley it.
The shooting for Barcelona. Most unlike them, Alan.
Well, they always create chances, but they normally finish them, don't they?
Nemanja Matic. He's got it back again. Diego Costa.
Diego Costa. Go.
Crosses in.
Go, go. Header, header.
That's the defense.
Ow! Wait, what was that? What? Oh, penalty. Is that a penalty? Penalty kick. What's happening? What? Is this game glitched? Can you see that too? Is it glitched for you too? What's happening? Oh, okay. Okay. It's regular, I think now. I want to switch it. I'm gonna switch it to. Oh. There we go. Okay. Dang it! What a save! Did you guys see that? That was his skill. I told you he was good at FIFA. Go goalie! Go! Okay. No! Uh-oh, we have like 2 more minutes. No, 1 more minute. Or a few seconds. Come on, I can score, I can score. I can score! I can score! No! No. Oh, +5. Okay. Don't score. No. 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 No, don't score. Nope. He's gonna shoot now, isn't he? Ugh. No, 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 please! No! He tied it! No! Do you want to do penalty kicks? If we tie? I think that means yes. Wait. I want to do penalty kicks, so let's see. Select yes to rematch and continue, or start the next, or no to the online. Yes to. Okay, click yes. Well, good game. That was a nice game. Okay, well, it was fun, guys. I hope you guys liked it. So, bye, guys. Peace out.